welcome to Egor.
It's my pleasure to be in your presence. I mean, what Dr. Asue has said, Mr. Project, it's not new to me because I was watching from afar. I've seen a lot of your doings on the social media around Egor and Emperor, and as a politician myself, I'm pleased with what you're doing. And today, we made the chairman of the Local Government Service Commission. My visiting is to tell you that I'm here to work with you and get all my staffs that are within your local government to support whatever you're doing. And that's, they should also please support the candidacy of Asue to deliver, because if you're sitting in a position, you're living statutorily. If you don't have a successor, and then you didn't do well. So this is the message we'll be taking all around the local government we have on today. So that is why we're here. Thank you for the reception.
Thank you.
It's very warm here.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. You know, we are going to be adding more colors and confidence to the staffs, you know. But to me, any staff that want to vote for another political party is wicked.
Yes.
Any staff that will vote for another political party is wicked. For what the governor has done for civil servants. Do you understand? Like I keep telling my staff every day, I say, please, I'm doing my best as a local government chairman. The welfare of the staff is my first priority, because you guys are the engine room. Do you understand? Any politician that want to succeed and say, oh, my staff are not important, he cannot succeed. It depends on the staff for a politician to succeed or not to succeed. You know, so if you want to succeed, make them feel at home. Let them work in a conducive environment. Think about their welfare. Then they will give back to you. But the ones that are not giving back, you know that they are deliberately wicked. I was handing over my stewardship, what I've done in the local government as a council chairman. I made a statement that a time will come in this country that only integrity, somebody that has integrity that can contest and win an election. You may have all the money in the world. People will collect your money and they will not vote for you. That is where we are today. We have a very good candidate. Not just because it's my party, but somebody that has integrity. Somebody I believe that can do it. You know? How many governments can pay minimum wage? Egor local government is the first local government in 774 local governments that pay 70,000 minimum wage when our governor implemented it. Go and check. We were the first. And we pay salary 25th. If it goes to 26, it's because it was on a Sunday. Do you understand? No matter how bad it is, our salary must be saved somewhere. I think Egor is the only local government that have the HOD revenue. Every other local government, do you have?
No.
It's only Egor. I wrote a letter to the government that I want my HOD revenue to remain because he knows his job. Out of the 18 local governments, it's the only local government that have revenue HOD. And help me to plead with the staff to continue to support me, because as they are supporting me, I will be able to fight for them. Because if they don't support me, I will not be able to fight for them. You know, I really appreciate them. They have been helping me. Today, I am named Madam Project. If they did not support me, I won't be named Madam Project. So I want to thank you for coming. I really appreciate. And seeing somebody like you and having somebody like you in the commission, I know things are going to change better. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
4 o'clock, right? And we still have this vibe to show. It means that our money is doing very well. I mean, so mommy when they do well, now where mommy go, I will go. I mean, to say I will go where she's going because I've seen what she's doing from afar and watch her do things that other local government chairmen will be trying. And why I said I want to go on the street, I want to go on the top to meet with workers, to encourage them. But you guys are all folks here. You won't push Christianity to go. Have you? Let's see what God tell again. So when you get house, you're not a brother to say that I hide and seek. Because to me, this is the house. I was coming here to encourage you to create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility and work with your chairman of local government the way a worker is supposed to behave. But I can see that you're already at the top notch. You're already doing well. Everybody is happy here. This happiness, we want it to remain. Isn't it? Yes. We want it to remain. We don't want to change it. Isn't it? We don't want because you don't change a real thing. Okay? PDP is a real thing. Our mother here, she's a good coach. She's already leading. She already taught you what to do. Please and please. Your Ogie just said that you are about 511 staff here. So that means you are expecting, let's just say times 3. So that we won't come to let's say times 3 of that. That's what you are expecting for you people. So please, the governor is doing well for you. If your salary is not being prepared by the chairman, it will not be prepared by the governor. And your pension now, if you have your colleague that have pension, once you pension, the next month, you are receiving your pension. Is that not commendable? So, you shouldn't look back to say, oh, let's go and try this. How will you go and try something you don't know? So, this is why I have come this evening to say, please go out there and talk to your friends, your children, your relatives. Let them support the candidate of Asue, and Ogie. Because that is the party that will deliver the goodies. Because with this party, you are sure that what you already have now will continue. Is that not? Yes. Because the one that is coming, you don't know it. It's not that you don't even know. They don't know it. Let us support PDP, give the maximum support that we can, and we will do our part.
One thing I want to say to you, my dear people. Anybody that open their eyes to vote for APC in this hard time is wicked. In this hard time is wicked. Forgetting a political party. Anybody that open their eyes this time and say want to go and put finger for APC and wickedness. You all know what everybody is going through. Even when you're 70,000 minimum wage, can you buy food and take home? At the end of the month, how much is bag of rice? 100,000. Okay, now you're earning 70,000. How many rock you take home? But whereas, when things were better, even with your 40,000, you could buy quarter of rice. You could buy quarter of rice. No need for us to deceive ourselves. In this hall, in 2021, I made a statement. All of you were here when I submitted my stewardship of what I have done and what I did in Egor local government. I said only integrity, time to come and win an election. Even with all the money you have, people will not vote for that person. That is the time where we are now. It's not about party, but it's about integrity. People that have the God-fearing in their hearts. Forget about I'm in PDP. Forget about I'm in PDP. But the most important thing is the future. The future of our children. The future of our people. Are we now going to sit down here and wait somebody to come and waste our future? Or waste the future of our children? But my dear brothers and sisters, look inside your heart. Look in your wallet. What has there been? Because on the day of election, I know you are APC. They will not see you when you are voting for people. Please vote for somebody that will continue paying your salary. Vote for somebody that will think of you.